Make my page have more interesting formatting and an image. First, go to Pages and select Pages, all pages, because we want to edit our front page, which is the sample page. So just click Sample Page. Wait for it to load. We want to go to the bottom of the editing pane. That's that thing in the middle where you edit the content of the page. Just click at the bottom and start typing your address. Just hit return between each line like you normally do. Boom, there you are. This is my old office address. So you notice that every time I hit return, it makes these big spaces between each thing. That's because it's making a new paragraph every time I hit return, and that's no good. We want to do something that puts a new line instead of a new paragraph. So when you type, hold down the Shift key when you hit return. Shift, return, boom. Now, hold down the Shift key, return, boom. So you notice when I did that, it made no big spaces. So now let's make that a different font. Up there we see Font Family. Pull that down. I'm going to make it Comic Sans. So you see how it's now Comic Sans. This is just like using a word processor. Now I want to remove any formatting. I want to just not have it have a special font. So I click Font Family again, just that basic thing. And that takes away the font. Okay, now let's add that image. Put it right into our page. So scroll to the top of the editing pane and click next to the word this. That's where we want to put the image. Now click this thing called the Upload button. Then here click Select Files. And now find your image, the one that you edited. The final headshot. Now it's uploading. Okay, scroll down and let's look at the options. Here you want to give it a title and alternate text. The title is useful for people using it. The alternate text is there for people who are visually impaired. This is actually an ethical imperative that we have this. So I just copy and paste the same text into both of those boxes. Don't need a caption, don't need a description. We don't need a link URL either, so we can just click none, make that go away. We want the alignment to be left because we want the image to sit on the left. And now we've made it the exact size we want, so we want to click full size because it's already the size that we want. Now don't click Save Changes, it doesn't do what you want. You want to click Insert into Post. Click that. And bam, there's your picture. It's in the page. And now we want to save the change and make sure it actually does that. So we click Update in order to save the change to the page. If you don't click Update, it won't save and you won't see anything on your website. Okay, so now let's look at the page. Right click or control click and select Open Link in New Tab. So you see the tab appeared, and now you're looking at your newly saved front page with your image and your address and everything. Okay, now click the X to make this tab go away. Let's keep it tidy, get rid of tabs we don't need.